Immerse yourself in the realm of biomedical engineering sales, the intersection of groundbreaking innovation and healthcare solutions. Our odyssey commences with comprehending the distinct challenges and demands of medical professionals. We submerge ourselves in product know-how, mastering the characteristics, advantages, and uses of our biomedical apparatus. Creating robust connections with healthcare institutions and professionals is the cornerstone of winning trust and nurturing enduring partnerships. We collaborate closely with clients to craft solutions that address their particular needs and elevate patient care. Transparent and efficient communication is vital in articulating the worth of our offerings. We put on compelling demonstrations and presentations to exhibit the capabilities and benefits of our biomedical devices. Professionally and expertly addressing concerns and objections is critical in surmounting sales barriers. Mastering negotiation skills